Hello my friends, and welcome back. In today's tutorial video, we're going to be taking a look at how you can set a custom Komorebi config home to store all of your Komorebi related configuration files in. So let's say we want this directory to be .config/Komorebi. We can go ahead and make that directory. So far, so good. The next thing that we need to do is make a change to our Powershell profile. So go ahead and type notepad $profile. Now, if you are on a brand new machine, or if you like me are on a virtual machine, this file probably won't exist. So you can go ahead and create it. And then inside of that file, you can set the environment variable Komorebi config home to be the value of the directory that we just created. Do make sure to change the user. So here we can see in this virtual machine, my username is just user. So I'm going to change that to users/user. Excellent. So now we can close that once it's saved, and we can reload our profile. However, if you are on a brand new machine, on a brand new virtual machine, you will need to set the execution policy to allow yourself to run PowerShell scripts. So I like to get this from scoop.sh, and you set the execution policy to remote signed for the current user. Great. Once that is done, we can reload the contents of profile. That is done. So now if we type $env and we start typing Komorebi, it will autocomplete when you hit tab, as it just did for me. If I hit return on this, you can see that this variable points to this folder that we created. So all that is left for us to do is move our files. When, LSLA does not work on Windows. When you follow the quick start, these files, they end up in the user home directory. So we can do move applications.yaml to .config/Komorebi. And we can do the same with komorebi.json. I'm going to go ahead and run komorebi stop now, and you can see that Komorebi is indeed stopped. It is not tiling the windows, and I can move them anywhere I like. Now what I'm going to do, just to show that everything is working, I'm going to run Komorebi directly so that we can see the log output. So I run Komorebi, and okay, this is a good one because I forgot about this as well. When you move your files, you do need to update the location of applications.yaml. So in this latest version of Komorebi, you can now type env komorebi config home here after you've set it, and set this to applications.yaml inside of this folder. So I'm gonna hit save and close out of this, and we're gonna try that again. We're gonna run Komorebi, and you can see here, creating window manager from static configuration file, users, user, .config komorebi.json. That is pretty cool. And if I open another tab here and I run Komorebi C state, you can see that all of the rules that make applications behave well with the tiling window manager are all here. So yeah, if you would like to organize your configuration files a little bit differently, this is how you would go about it, by setting your own Komorebi config home. Before we wrap up, you can, if you have any issues with this, you can come on over to the issues and the discussions on the GitHub page. We also have a Discord server that you are welcome to drop into. And that is all I wanted to share in this tutorial. If you like this video, please do go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, any comments, you can also leave them in the YouTube comments. If you would like to subscribe to the channel, I highly recommend it. There will be more tutorial videos coming. And of course, if you would like to sponsor this project, you can always head on over to the GitHub sponsors page. You can be a one-time sponsor, you can be a monthly sponsor, and honestly, even if it's just $1 a month, it really does make a big difference. Alright my friends, that is it for today. I hope that whatever you will do today, you have a great day. Free Palestine, and I'll see you all back here next time.